Hi everyone, I'm making this video to show you my Eibos Dyas. There are quite a few videos on Tetras and I've seen quite a few unboxing video and people setting it up, but I haven't seen any on Dyas, and I don't know how many people ordered it or how it works, but I ordered mine in beginning of July of this year and I just got it 2 days ago, and I'm located in Canada. So yeah, it took a while. I didn't know if I was ever going to receive it, but yeah, there we are. Here's a surprise. Yeah, so Eibos Dyas, and let's get to unboxing. To give you some background, I do have a Bambu X1 combo, and I have the first generation AMS, and I wanted to have a dryer that would dry up my filaments as I'm printing. I looked at the Sunlu, and you know, I don't know much about it, but I wanted to give Eibos a try. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm just gonna make this an unboxing video, and then I don't know, maybe I'll make a setting up video as well later on. But for now, here's an unboxing. Enjoy it. So yeah, there we go. We open the box. We open it. There we go. So you have a little owner manual. Interesting. Okay. Okay, product overview. How to remove it from the box. Okay, so I have to remove the... Okay, remove the size first and pick up the entire... Okay, that makes sense. Okay. And then it teaches you how to set it up. So we should have the following in the box. Okay, it comes with a screwdriver as well. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, some suggested temperatures. All right, so that's it. Okay, so we remove the sides first. So we have to remove this. Remove this. Oh, okay. Pick up the whole thing. Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay, so let's put this to the side for now. What is this? Okay. I guess this is the divider. Okay, so let's put everything back. Okay, the box can go away. Leave the box. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So, okay. Okay, so these are the displays. Nice. I mean, it's a little plasticky, but yeah. Okay. Sure, I'll take it. What is this? I guess the power supply. Okay. Put it up. Okay, you have a little... wait, maybe it's... Oh, I see, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it was upside down. Well, let's just remove the plastic. This is kind of... I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little black tape. I don't know why they have this. Okay, well, I guess we'll find out. Remove the plastic. The little Eibos screwdriver. Okay. Go to the side. Okay, so this is just foam. What is this? This is a USB-C. This is interesting. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty thick USB-C cable. Okay. Divides into two. Okay. Yeah. So one is the power, the other one is the heater, and this is the screen. Okay, that makes sense. Again, screen, heater, and power. Okay. Here's a power cord. And a bunch of I don't know what these are. Okay. Sure. I mean, let's just take, let's see what else we have. We have, I guess this is to hold the divider in place. And I'm assuming this was a divider. So, yeah. Okay. Don't know what these are. Foot pad. Okay. Oh no, this is a divider. Yeah, I don't know. More of these. Okay, I guess we'll get to them. Acrylic front baffle. ABC. I mean, yeah, there's one A, two B's, and one C. I mean, here you can kind of see it where they cut them. It's not the best quality, but I guess I'll take it. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. No. It was from the shrink wrap. Okay. Never mind. It's, yeah. Okay. So that's that. What else do we have? Yeah. So this is from the shrink wrap. Okay. We have a bunch of screws. M3, H8, and H12. Okay, so this, I don't know, and we remove this. So this is what we have. Okay, so I guess this is the, yeah, okay, there we go. So, I mean, yeah, it's not like the best quality. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah, you can kind of see they just stuck it on and it's not the best. Yeah. Like there's like bubbles here. But you know what? Fine, I'll take it. Dyas. Yeah. So, okay, so to show you, let's take a look at this. Okay, so we have the, okay. So we have the power goes in and then the heater. Power heater, and there's two of them. And the tape thing. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's that. You know what? I will make another video on setting it up. Okay. Yeah. So could this, oh, you know what? This could be the legs. Yeah. Okay. I see. Okay. Yeah. I mean, so we have maybe four legs. Maybe. You know what? Okay. Yeah. So there we go. There you have it. There's a unboxing video of my Eibos Dyas. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah, these are the heaters, by the way. Like a little fan. So you can see the fan. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Yeah. So, thank you.